Hi, I'm Shawn Severson from Internationals Porto. I'm the teacher trainer there. And welcome back to Shawn's Corner, where today we'll be looking at a special kind of book. You know about some wonderful storybooks out there like those from Dr. Seuss, especially Green Eggs and Ham, my favorite. You also know about The Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle and Where the Wild Things Are by Morris Sendak. Some of these work really well with younger students, but we should take some time later to see other ways we can use these classics, kind of like what we did before with The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein. For now, let's take a look at a type of picture book that is good for all levels and ages, the wordless picture book. My favorite authors in this genre are Shawn and David Wiesner, authors of The Arrival and Sector 7. They're really great books. This one here looks at an immigration experience going to a faraway country. And it's a graphic novel, really, with tons and tons and tons of illustrations. Very detailed and really great to talk about. This one here, by David Wiesner, looks at how clouds are made. So it starts on the Empire State Building, and then it goes on to talk about how the clouds are made, and we can actually see where they're made. So it's really an interesting book as well. But today we're going to take and really peek at one particular book, which is called Flotsam. So let's take a look. So here you can see the boy's at the beach. It seems like he's very curious and looking at a lot of different sea creatures. It also looks like he's got a ton of equipment like a microscope, binoculars, and a magnifying glass. And as he was looking for other kinds of creatures, it appears that a big wave came up and left something quite spectacular, a camera. And what could be inside of that camera? Well, of course, we have to develop the film. But then we might see something like octopuses in their living rooms and other strange things, and I won't spoil it. I wish I could show you more, but you really have to check it out yourself. Enjoy Flotsam by David Wiesner. You as the teacher can ask as many questions as you like because everything is open for interpretation in this kind of book. These books give tons to talk about, so they really are worth checking out. In the next Shawn's Corner, we will look at a picture book with text and some ideas for using it for grammar and vocabulary study. In regards to what you saw today, I hope you come to the conclusion that although these picture books are wordless, your students should be far from speechless when working with them. I hope you got some new ideas from this Shawn's Corner. Don't forget, we have a teacher training session tomorrow, looking at many of these picture books we just saw in the segment. Looking forward to seeing you in the teacher's room. Bye.